Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox quality issues. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox quality issues, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you will find this page, you will search about Roblox. Then in this list of app and for you, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then in this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. I don't have here updates, but when you find it in this blue side, then you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.